Adding, removing, and rearranging PDF pages is straightforward with Foxit PDF Editor. This packet has a blank page, a duplicate cover, and no signed page. I can clean it up in Foxit PDF Editor. I'll click the blank page and use the Delete button, then confirm the change. I'll right-click and delete the duplicate page. The updated page count immediately reflects the cleanup. You can easily select multiple pages by shift-clicking or control-clicking. Next, Insert lets me add a blank page, file, scan, or clipboard content from one menu. I'll place the signed page before the electronic signature certificate, so it lands exactly where the agreement needs it. If anything still needs repositioning, I can drag its thumbnail directly into the correct sequence. After I save, I'll check the Pages panel once more to confirm the revised page count and order. The packet is now clean, complete, and correctly paginated without reprinting or rescanning anything. Organizing pages comes in handy in all sorts of cases. Administrators can clean scanned records. Legal teams can insert signed pages and exhibits. And educators can assemble course packets. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try Organize Pages. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.